Okay, last step. So what you have here is the bread, right? It's risen a little bit, but not much, but that's okay. The second one, just to give you an idea of what it should look like. Is this better? Maybe. Okay, so let's put them on the side. So now it's been half an hour, so I'm going to take out one pan at a time. Okay, so in the pan, I will put a bit of flour at the bottom because you want to make sure that the bread doesn't stick. Otherwise, you're going to lose half your crust once it's done. You take one of the breads. You can just take it by the top, like grab it type of thing, or underneath, depending on the size of your pan. So this one is bigger. I can take it underneath. So flour your hand first. I take it underneath and I just lay it in. I put the top back on. Put this back in. Second one. This. And you're going to put your timer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to remove the tops. So leave everything else in, obviously. You just remove the tops, put another 30 minutes, and then that's it. It's over. I'll show you the final product. Actually, scratch that. The first time, you put it 30 if it's raisin bread, but for any other bread, you put it 35 minutes. So 35 for regular bread, 30 minutes for raisin bread. So I'll show you the final product at the end.